This is episode 2 of our 5-part series on working with your partner using the massage gun. Today we're going to look at lower back areas that you can work on. Let's go. So the first area we're going to work through is the glutes, and we're going to take our partner's leg, we're going to lift it over the opposite leg. This will activate the glute on this side. We're going to keep at the ball head, and we're going to run up to level 5 this time. We're going to go from the side of the hip, and we're going to work our way into the middle of the glutes. We're going to spend about 5 minutes on this, and we're just going to work our way down while we do this. And always ask your partner for some feedback if there's any tight spots. Sarah, you feeling any tight spots? We're going to move on to exercise 2. We're going to concentrate on the lower back, and we're going to work through the QLs. We're going to move our partner into a banana shape. So Sarah's going to move over our upper body and then move over our legs, which will pop out the QL on here. So we're going to set it at 3, and we're going to find the last rib, because it's a floating rib, we want to be careful, and we're going to run from the tailbone just into that area. Just applying some pressure, but staying away from the last rib. We're going to stay around here for about a minute, and your partner will find some tasty spots. So you just stay on them for around 10 to 15 seconds, and that will help relieve it. We're going to move on to exercise 3 now. Exercise in the lower back. We're going to run from the erector spinae all the way up to the cervical spine, but with a good concentration of the lower back, because that's where we're having the discomfort. We're going to use the fork head. I'm going to pop that in. We're going to set it at 3. I'm going to find the tailbone. Just going to keep our fingers there. And this is going to take both erector spinae in on both sides, and it's going to keep away from the vertebrae. We're going to run all the way back up. Then we're going to concentrate particularly on the lower back, because that's where we're having the discomfort. You can spend 30 seconds going up and 30 seconds going down, or you can do short, sharp bursts just on the lower back. This really helps with inflammation around the sacrum, and if you're feeling that pain getting out of the chair, this will really help. That's the third and final exercise in our series for the lower back. That's our 3 fantastic exercises done for discomfort in your partner's lower back that you can work on. We ran through the QLs, the erector spinae, and we ran through the glutes as well. All 3 fantastic areas. If there's continued pain or discomfort in the lower back for your partner, please seek medical help.